Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your lock screen picture. To do this, all we need to do is right click on our desktop and now go down to Personalize. You now need to click on lock screen on the left hand side, and we now need to click on this drop down menu below background and select picture. And you now need to click on browse, and you can now select the picture you would like to use for your lock screen. I'm just going to go ahead and use my background wallpaper and press choose picture. And there we go. That's how simple it is to change your lock screen picture. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.